Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica S cappuccino. Now this machine was brought here because he had the ground to find a just mill error, and that was basically the water pump that was failing. It wasn't pushing water through the system, and that was giving that error. We replaced the water pump, replacing filter, give the machine a tune-up, replacing filter, descale the machine, deep clean the spouts, deep clean inside as well, and pretty much make sure everything's nice and clean. So we're gonna start testing the machine with an espresso. Put some coffee on it. And then we're gonna dissolve it. As you can see, good flow and good color and crema. And now hot water. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica is working once again. Thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.